In this video, we are going to describe you how to avoid squawking sound in garage doors. First of all, you need to have this garage door lubricant. As you can see on the screen, it's to avoid such squawking sound, the one which you heard. First of all, you need to add the nozzle to that can, as you can see, and take it to the place where you are trying to spray it on. In this case, we are going to spray it on all the joints of the garage door. For that, we need to close it first. So once you are done, you need to start spraying the uh, in this respective manner, and do the same for all of the joints of the door. You don't have to apply much of it, but make sure you apply sufficient enough. Now that we are done with the spray, let's see if we can hear that squirking sound. Just smooth as butter. Thank you for watching.